Hello, welcome. So this is just a demonstration of how the costing stroke pricing calculator that I designed work. Alright, so this is a calculator we use to do holistic costing when we want to bring in all the costs. Okay, so I'll be using this to do costing for you if you want me to do it for you. Also, for my class, you're also going to get this. So when you get the boost your profit course, you are going to get this. In the boost of profit course is where I teach you costing and also how to make profit in general, right? Okay, so see a short video that will show you how this works. So here is where we list all our materials. We are using a business that makes Tiger Nut juice, so we list all your materials, all the materials you have available in the business. What is this? This is the first. What are we determining here? We want to know the cost of each material you are using for production. Okay, let me give you an example. This person buys Tiger Nut in bag, but while measuring it, she uses bucket. So at the end of the day, she should be able to tell the system what is the cost of the bag, how many buckets are inside one bag. Once she's able to do her measurement very well, and put how many buckets are inside one bag. Okay, sometimes you put the measurement after you've removed the dirt, the bad ones, you put what is available. Automatically, the system will show you what. So let's say that for this particular purchase, we'll have only 49 in a bucket in a bag, and you see the price will change. So the system will show you the cost of what you are using to measure your raw materials. So here is the calculator proper. So if you have gone through my ERP demo, you understand what I mean by base. I show something like this. So here, this person is telling the system, if I want to make 100 bottles of Tiger Nut, this is the material I will use. So let me just delete this so that you see how this works. So let me also delete this. So I'm telling the system, if I want to make this, I will use this. Once you have registered the materials here, automatically they appear. When you now click here, you do what? You pick what you want. Okay, so we are making this. So we are telling the system to make 100 of Tiger Nuts, we need 100 buckets. 100 bottles, we need 100 buckets. And that is it. So that's how you select all. When you are now done, you come down here. The system will show you the total of the materials that you need, including materials. So including the bottle. Can you see the empty bottle? Also, if you have people that you pay based on production, so you tell the person, maybe you pay them based on, for anything you help me package, or anything you help me produce, I'll pay you 20 naira. You also include that. So I'm going to teach you how to do that. I'm just showing you how this tool works. Here the system will show you the total, the total cost of the material that is needed to produce this. So we are telling the system this is the total. So what we are making is 100. So the total cost of one bottle is 3,000. See, I don't make Tiger Nut. I'm just teaching you something, please. So I don't trying to correct me. Alright, so indirect. So because we are doing a holistic cost, we are going to I'm going to tell you how to determine indirect cost per unit. But here we are putting our indirect cost sales volume. We're getting our indirect cost per unit, and also, so at the end of the day, our total cost. Okay, so our total cost, the total cost should come before profit margin, becomes now this direct cost plus indirect cost. Okay, it's going to come here. Then you will now choose the profit margin you want to add. Immediately you get your selling price. So that is it. Very simple. And why is this very okay? So next time when you are back from the market and price has changed or quantity has changed or you have changed your unit of measure, you just change it and the system will determine the next one. Okay. Alright, also if you get ERP accounting software, you can also use it for your costing, but it's just material. You won't include your expenses. So this is, you want to do a general costing. The same thing we have done here. You have told the system what you need to make 100. If you want to make 50, you put it here. The system will help you determine the cost of 50 for your raw material, for the direct cost, because your indirect cost may not change. Do you understand? So for instance, if I want to make like 150, once I put 150 here, observe that these things will change. Can you see they have changed? So this is basically how this calculator works, and you're going to get it. I'm going to use it for your costing. If I'm doing for you, you're also going to get it. I will this is just one product. I know maybe you have like 5 products, so I might just make it to, especially those that are buying the course, I will make it to reach like maybe 4, I don't know, as the spirit leads, and tell you how to link it. Or another way you can also use it is to use it, all your products can be on this particular sheet. So maybe that is how I'll teach you, especially for you that you are going to get the template, so that you don't get stuck after price one. Which after price one also you can also copy it, but I don't want you to be stressing so much about it. So thank you so much, and I hope as soon as the course is ready, in case you're watching it when it's not yet ready, please get it. If you're watching it now, you to be ready before next week Monday. And if you want me to do your costing, you pay up and we start. Thank you. God bless you.